Together. Here. Yeah, showing it off. Alright, one more time. Another time. One last time. And bang! Ooh! Bang! Bang! And also, Lomi is a very polite bird and she wants to thank everyone here for being so patient and for coming down here to see us this afternoon. So Lomi, shall we say thank you? Thank you. Wow. Alright, and last but not least, it is also time for Lomi to head back home. So everybody, let's say bye-bye Lomi! Thanks girl. Very nice. Let's give everybody here a big round of applause, shall we? The African Great Parrot. Thank you very much, Louis.